Take a ride in the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.